Okay, so I'm going to take a look at number 11 on page 259. It says the Raging River Sport polyester filled sleeping bag sells for $79 and the down-filled sleeping bag sells for $149. In 1 week, the store sold 14 sleeping bags for $1,456. So we have two things going on here. We have number of sleeping bags, which is going to create one equation for us, and then the money for the sleeping bags will create the second equation for us. So the first equation is just P plus D equals 14. So polyester plus down equals 14. And the second equation is 79P plus 149D equals 1,456. So if I multiply my top equation by a negative 79, then I can eliminate my P term. So everything is multiplied by negative 79 on the top equation, and that allows the P to cancel. I combine my D terms to get 70D. I combine the right side of my equation to get 350 and divide both sides by 70. I found at the down sleeping bags there were 5 of them. So going back to the first equation, which regards number of sleeping bags, P plus 5 is equal to 14. So if I subtract 5 from both sides, I figure out that they sold 9 polyester sleeping bags. So if we look at number 12, 12 has us writing equations with words. It says twice a number plus twice a second number is 310, and the difference between the numbers is 55. Find the number by writing and solving a system of equation. Explain how you solved the system. So I'm going to use elimination. My first equation is 2x plus 2y equals 310. The first number is x, and I multiply it by 2. The second number is y, and I multiply that by 2. The second equation says the difference between the numbers is 55. So x minus y equals 55. I'm going to get rid of my my x term by multiplying everything by negative 2. So negative 2y. When I multiply a negative 2 and a negative y, remember it becomes a positive 2y. And if I multiply negative 2 and 55, I get negative 110. X is canceling. 2 plus 2 is 4y, and I add together the right side to get 200. If I divide both sides by 4, that gives me my y is equal to 50. And I can put 50 in place of y to solve for x. If I add 50 to both sides, I find out that my x is 105.